Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover unsaved Excel files quickly and easily. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu. Here you will type for Excel, then open Excel. Now click on file, then go to info. Here click on manage workbook, then click on recover unsaved workbooks. Here you will see the list of unsaved workbooks. You can select and save as to store it safely. Next step is check auto recover file location. Go to file, then options. Here you will go to save. Copy the auto recover file location. Here it is. Copy it. Now paste it to the file explorer. Go to this PC. Here you will search for the, press on enter. It will show you all the unsaved workbooks. Next option is recover previous version. Go to Excel, right click on it, then go to properties. Here you will see previous versions, click on it. Here you can restore an earlier version of your file, it's not available. Check OneDrive or backup. Again go to file explorer. Here we'll go to OneDrive, then click on documents. Here you will see all of your unsaved workbooks. You can save it directly. And that's it. These are the easiest way to recover unsaved Excel files. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.